There are several reasons as to why people get into day trading. One of the main reasons obviously is making money online. Another reason might be just the freedom that day trading actually brings along with it. But we can all agree that there are very few people making money when it comes to day trading. Now in this specific video, I'm going to give you 5 different reasons why 99% of people fail in day trading. So grab a notebook and let's just start. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. 5 reasons why 99% of people fail when it comes to day trading. This is what we're going to talk about today. And we're going to jump into the disclaimer of this video because I know some of you love to put words in my mouth and say that I guarantee things that I definitely don't. So the first thing that I want to let you know is that I'm not a legal advisor, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not an attorney or an accountant or anything like that. All I am is a day trader that likes to share exactly what I do with you so that you can learn from my mistakes and do similar things to what I do. But I'm definitely not guaranteeing any results whatsoever. Now let's go ahead and jump into what is day trading for those of you who are not familiar before we jump into the mistakes. Day trading is an actual way of making money online by buying and selling shares of different assets. When it could be stocks, it could be commodities, it could be gold, it could be cryptocurrencies or simple global currencies such as euro, US dollar, Canadian dollar and stuff like that. The way it works is that you actually choose a certain price of an asset and then determine whether the price is going to go up or is going to go down. For example, if you actually bought Bitcoin when it was at $16,000 and you sold it when it was at $19,000, that means that that $3,000 increase that the account actually has or the asset actually had, it will reflect on your trade that you basically predicted the right movement. On the other hand, if by any chance the price of Bitcoin went up and you actually thought that the price was going to go down and you invested or placed a trade going down, then you're going to lose that trade. As simple as that. I don't want to get into too much details in regards to day trading because I know the majority of you already know at least what we're talking about. Mistake number 1 that a lot of people, well, everybody does at the beginning is the get rich quick mentality. Look, when it comes to day trading, a lot of people would think that you can just sit around and make $20,000 in one day, change your life forever. And although that's possible, it's not realistic. I don't know, some YouTube channels that I've seen out there and Instagram accounts where I followed sometimes, I realized that that's what those gurus actually sell you. And although I'm not gonna judge anyone, that's not the real world. I've actually seen a YouTuber who actually had a Lamborghini and painted with the logo of their YouTube channel and then go into a store and spend like $45,000 in jewelry and then came back and on the last like 2 minutes of the video, he showed that he had made money with Forex. And that's not the way it works, okay? Day trading is a very lonely yet very profitable business. What I mean by lonely is that you cannot count on anyone from your family members, from your friends, or from anyone because simply they don't understand how the industry works. At the time that you get into day trading, they will actually think that you're getting into network marketing. They're gonna think that you're gonna start selling stuff and they don't understand. So you actually have to study yourself and become good at what you do on your own in your bedroom, in your house, in your apartment, whatever you are, or even your classroom, and start building your wealth from there. But it's not something that actually happens fast. So when you get into the business, if you are thinking like, hey, today I'm gonna invest $1,000 and at the end of the month I'm gonna have 100 grand and I'm gonna be rich, that's not the way it works. That's the first mistake. You gotta build your account constantly and steadily, but little by little, 1-2% a month, 3% a month, and just like that, taking your account to a whole different level. Mistake number 2 is you're not using enough demo. All right, look, I understand that you might feel ready or that you might feel, I don't know, like this training that you just had with somebody on YouTube or whatever, like gives you the confidence that you already understood the strategy. It wasn't that hard, was it? Then you decide to start trading with real money. That's the second mistake that a lot of people make. You need to practice on demo. It doesn't matter if you fully understood the strategy, you don't put your money before practicing on demo. It doesn't matter how smart you are, okay? So what you need to do is open a demo account, and even if you already have the money to deposit into your broker account, you don't, or you deposit it, but you don't use it. So you need to practice at least 1 to 3 months on demo so that you can master what you're doing. And it's not just about one strategy. It's about A/B testing strategies. It's about testing different time zones during the day. It's about testing different assets. Some people trade with US 30. Some people trade with gold. Some people trade with Bitcoin. So you need to actually use those 3 months in order to focus on a strategy, a time zone, and an asset type that you are going to be trading. And trust me, that's going to change your trading world forever. I'm not saying you're not going to blow an account even if you trade on demo, but the possibilities are going to be super lower than if you didn't. Mistake number 3 is actually using too many strategies. Look, I've seen a lot of people like saying, hey, this is the best strategy for Forex trading in 2024. And then a week after that, they actually post a new video saying, hey, best strategy for Forex in 2024. And then 3 days later, another, the best strategy for Forex 2024. And when you actually go into the 3 videos, there are 3 different strategies. So the question is, which one's the best? You cannot have 3 best strategies. You can have the first, second, and third best, but not the best one. So the problem with these gurus out there on YouTube is that they teach you different strategies, claiming that they're the best ones in the industry. And maybe one of them is actually the best one. I'm not sure. I don't actually believe that there's a best strategy, but I believe that people are getting confused as to, hey, which one should I use? And they start practicing with the 3 of them. They don't master any of them. And they try to go into the market with real money and try to apply the 3 of them. And they lose money with the 3 of them. So that's 3 times losing money that you could have saved, or that you could have actually doubled instead by focusing on one single strategy. So I'm not saying don't learn more strategies. All I'm saying is that you need to actually choose 1, maybe 2 strategies and master those, and that's it. One thing I can tell you is that 99% of strategies out there work, okay? It's not like this one doesn't work, but it works for my neighbor, but it doesn't work for me. No, if it works for somebody else, it does work. It's just that you need to find the strategy that is actually suitable for you based on scalping, day trading, swing trading. It doesn't matter. You need to actually find which one is for you, okay? So don't focus on too many strategies. The reason number 4 why people fail is using the wrong strategy, all right? This goes hand in hand with the previous reason I gave you, right? Why do I mean by the wrong strategy? Look, I'm just gonna give you an example. I'm really good at swing trading. I love swing trades, all right? I go into daily charts, choose a good entry, put it there, and then forget about the trade for like 2 days, and then I come back and see how it's doing. I lost it, I won it, I don't know. But when it comes to scalping trader, I suck at it. Why? Because I don't like scalping trades. I don't believe that institutions are scalping trading too much. They actually do more day trading and swing trading, right? So honestly, I prefer to go with swing trading or maybe day trading instead of scalping. I don't do position trading also for months or anything like that. No, I only trade swing or day trading. So you get to choose the strategy that is for you. While this strategy might be good for me, it's not going to be good for 10 people around even my corner or my block, right? So you need to choose the right strategy for you. How do you know which one is the best strategy for you? Is the one that makes you feel comfortable, that doesn't mess up with your emotions, and more importantly, that is actually making you win positions. So keep that in mind. And reason number 5 that people make and why they don't make money with day trading is they are in the wrong community. Look, I don't have anything against other YouTubers or bloggers or TikTokers or Instagrammers that are posting the results in Forex or day trading on crypto, whatever, in a way that I don't share. I'm not judging anyone, but maybe you're in the wrong community. If that's the community you want to be at and you get motivated by looking at Lamborghinis and Ferraris and Rolexes and stuff, fine. That's where you belong. And maybe that motivation is actually making you learn more and you're making more money. But if you're not making money and all you're doing is just, I don't know, like dream about the car that this guy posted, but I'm not making any money and keep on struggling for a year, follow him and trying to be like him, then probably that's not your community. What I can guarantee you is that a community needs to be with people who are in the same position you are. If you're just like shouldering with a millionaire, then probably you're just gonna be either unmotivated or you're not going to be at the same pace that he is. Why? Because he's been through a lot of things that you haven't. But if you're in a community of people who are actually walking along with you, like on the same level or something similar, then the growth is incredibly good. And that actually comes to the final point of this video, which is join my Telegram channel. Look, my free Telegram channel is made of a community who are making the same or similar amounts of money. I had someone today who made 4,000. The other day, someone made 3,000. Today, another one 3,000, another one 4,000. So we are in between this like area where we're making like similar amounts of money. Yes, there might be someone making $10-$20 like a day, but they're actually like pushing in order to be in the 4,000. We're not aiming to buy a Lamborghini like covered in gold or anything like that. So no, join my free Telegram channel if you want to be in a community like that. If not, if you prefer to be on the other ones, fine, do it. There was this channel called FX Lifestyle or whatever, where he was walking around a mansion with a bunch of cash in their hands. And I'm like, who uses cash nowadays, right? But if you want to be in that type of community, then go ahead and do so. But if you want to be in a more like this community, the invitation is right there to my Telegram channel. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below and my team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.